Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic DIY. Welcome to my Christmas DIY series. Today I'm going to be making a super fun project. I think it is anyways, using a stencil that I just cut out from Cricut. Now you don't, I always say you don't need to use a stencil. It definitely makes a project go a lot smoother, but I will link the website where I got the free SVG for this, and I just cut it up, resized it and cut it on an old file folder. That way if I want to reuse it for anything else, I can. It's just a little bit more I guess reusable than vinyl. Vinyl probably works better because it sticks to the surface, so you just have to be a little bit more careful with this one when you are stenciling. So I will take apart the stencil in a minute, but let me just go and let you know what else I'm using. So I have this wrapping paper that I picked up at dollar store, and it looks like butcher paper. And then I have some old toilet paper rolls and a paper towel roll, hot glue gun, black paint, and actually I'm thinking I might, I'm gonna stick with black paint. I was thinking maybe doing Christmas trees in green, but I will do it with black paint just to stick to original plan, and just something to put your paint on, and a stenciling brush, a knife, crafting knife for your stencil if you need it, and scissors to cut the butcher paper if I need. Well, I definitely need to. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart my stencil. And I would also like to mention that this video is in collaboration that is hosted by Jamie from Border Bananas. It is a look for less, and this is the project that inspired mine, and I'm trying to somewhat recreate it. And as you can see, the cost of this project is $62, and I just think that I can make it for a lot less, like pretty much $1, because I had everything else in hand, but definitely under $5. So there will be a playlist down below, so make sure you go on and check out the playlist, and I will have Jamie's channel linked in my description box as well. And I am just new to this Cricut machine, and I did watch a tutorial, but I always forget to link these up, so I always have to use a bit of a tape for that. Not a big deal.
Out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Now I'm going to cut my paper to size. And I'm just going to cut it and make it a little shorter so it's not as wide.
Hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling.
So I'm going to take my rolls now, and I'm going to glue them just to keep form. I'm gonna use 2 here, and then one whole one on top. To secure it so it doesn't unroll, I'm just going to put some hot glue there and there, so that way it holds it in place. And I'm going to do the same on the bottom.
I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this. Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting.
And now I'm going to place my stencil right in the middle. Just going to
On a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh.
and I'm just lightly taping it down. I'm not pressing on the tape because I don't want it to damage the paper.
It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Now careful with not too much paint. I'm going to sponge it on. And the stencil brush I'm using is from the Dollar Tree. Dip it and then take as much paint off as possible so I don't have too much paint on it.
Have a good time, dance, dance all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring.
All right, and now for the reveal. Oh, I love it. I love it. Now I just have to fill in where the tape was.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay. So that's that. And now I'm going to I wanted to put an arrow here as well. If you see on the design there was an arrow, I just didn't cut it out because I figured I can probably do one myself.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Okay. There, and now once it dries, I'm going to add a rope, which I forgot to show you. I'm just gonna grab it. So this is like a nautical rope or jute rope. And I'm just going to cut it to size. And I'm also going to make this a little bit shorter. There. There we go. And the nice thing about having that little hole there is I can thread my rope through it.
Ooh, we'll be chilling.
I'm going to take this long piece of wood and just push the rope through.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
And tie a loop. And I'll show you what it looks all hung up. Looks like all hung up.
So here it is, all hung up. I think it looks really, really good. And for very little cost comparing to what the other one cost at the store, I couldn't be more pleased. So I'd like to thank Jamie for hosting this collaboration. Make sure to check her channel out as well as the playlist link down below. And if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell. I have tons of Christmas DIYs coming your way, so you wouldn't want to miss any of them. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.